We begin in the RMIT City campus, on the footpath outside Building 10. The perspective is drawn downwards as we move along the street in a hurried pace. Moving upward provides a clear overhead view of the city skyscrapers and the treetops. The focus changes to a tram towards the roadside, zooming in and out slightly before we move on to witness another tram moving by. We move again to a different footpath, further away from the campus, past Building 91. Our perspective is drawn to the side, briefly focusing on the constant flow of vehicle traffic before returning to its original position. The footpath almost ends at a traffic light before we switch to a new location. It is around midday or just after, as shadows cast starkly and stretch across the entire length of the footpath. We turn towards the direction of a pedestrian stop, before transitioning back to the original walkway along the road. This path continues towards a more building-dense area, bringing focus to the constant flow of people walking past. The overarching sun casts along buildings, bike racks, and moving people to create lengthening shadows along the ground surface. A tram stop is positioned between the middle of the RMIT campus, enclosed by two large buildings. The cityscape is visible in full, the RMIT building being in the centre, surrounded by the skyscrapers that make up Melbourne Central. We face above the Bowen Street lawns. The treetops cast over most of our sight, with only one building partially in view. Skyscrapers are mingled in with the treetops. Moving to just outside the State Library, the perspective intermingles into the oncoming crowd. We follow through to the interior of the library through a gradual walking pace. We move further into the library space into a more dense area. Once in a new location, we peer out a window, revealing the expanse of traffic and extensive cityscape outside. The mood has shifted, feeling less erratic than before. We scroll through a laptop, still beside the same window. A quick getaway down the staircase signifies an exit from the thoughtful silence. The busy exterior of the State Library encloses as we move. The passing of a tram leaves to mark the conclusion of this journey.